What is novation? Novation is a substitution of a new obligation for an old one, which is thereby extinguished. It is a transaction whereby a debtor is discharged from his liability to his original creditor by contracting a new obligation in favor of a new creditor by the order of the original creditor. It is a mode of extinguishing one obligation by another. The substitution not of a new paper or note, but of a new obligation in lieu of an old one, the effect of which is to pay, dissolve, or otherwise discharge it. As such, we find ourselves with three kinds of novation. First, where the debtor and the creditor remain the same, but a new debt takes the place of the old one. Second, where the debt remains the same, but a new debtor is substituted for the old one. And third, where the debt remains the same, but a new creditor is substituted for the old one. Furthermore, in every novation, the old debt is wholly extinguished by the new. To effect such a transformation, several things are required. First, there must be an interior obligation of some sort to serve as a basis for the new contract. Second, the parties innovating must consent thereto. It must be voluntary. And third, there must be an express intention to innovate. A novation is never presumed. If an intent to destroy the debt is not proved, there is no novation. An important rule of novation is that the extinction of the debt destroys also all rights and liens appertaining thereto. Hence, if any hypothecations be attached to the former agreement, they are cancelled by the new one unless express words retain them. The second contract is simple and independent, and upon its terms is the action to be brought. Hence, too, the parties cannot avail themselves of defenses, claims, and set-offs which would have prevailed between the former parties and the former debt.